Happy New Year, you guys! We are officially in 2025 and welcome to my new setup. I love her. I have some tweaks, but this is it so far and I'm so freaking happy. I actually built this myself and I put these floating shelves up myself. I was Barbara the Builder. I can't wait to create and share more with you this year. Thank you for being here. It truly means the world to me. But today I'm sharing 2025 makeup techniques and hacks you need to know to start the year off right. These aren't the typical hacks that you always see floating around, the concealer lift, all the things we already know. These are things that you've probably never heard before. If you want to see how these life-changing hacks simplify your routine and elevate your look, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. I can't get over this background. I really can't. First things first, brows. Somebody give me a tanning hack. Look at this quality. So excited to be back in my studio again after I don't know how many years. I've been filming in my room for a while. Just having this whole setup just makes me so happy. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking at so you can feel the nostalgia that I feel right now. Look at this. Well, let's go out. We have the mic, the lights, the viewfinder, all the things. Ignore this, it's a mess, but yes, so happy. Brows first, we already know that, but have you thought about this? Use your brow pencil as a contour stick. This is perfect because it is a cool tone that's going to create a natural shadow. So crazy, it works every single time and it's always gonna look good on your skin tone because it's your brow color and it flows with your hair. It comes in handy when you're not using a big stick or if you don't have a brush on hand, and it's a hack and tip that you can take anywhere with you. This is the Dominique brow frame in Taupe, which is a universal shape, but you can use any brow shape that you like and it's gonna work amazing. Wow, I miss doing that with my camera. I miss it all. So you can do your brows, fill them in, and you can also contour your nose. This hack you're not gonna wanna pass up. You need to let me know if you try it and how you like it, because I know you're gonna love it. These are two base techniques you need to know. First one is if you have combo skin, use two different primers. This base technique I don't see. Applying a primer that's more mattifying in that area that's oily, maybe down in the T-zone. I don't know why, you guys, but my eyelids get oily. The rest of my face is dry. But if you just put on a mattifying primer in the areas that you need it. This one is actually so blurring, by the way. You soak up all the oils and mattify and smooth out this area. And then you're gonna take hydrating primer on the other parts of your face that need more hydration. This is me right here. I am always dry around my cheek area and the outer perimeter of my face. Use two different primers that mesh well together and work with your base. Your skin is gonna look so good underneath your foundation. This one's more of a tip. Use a hybrid foundation or tint like this one from Supergoop. It has an SPF in it. It has skincare benefits with some coverage. This is always going to be the best option. Love that it has SPF in the foundation. So it's going over the top of your primers and it's going to block the aging from the sun. And then of course you want to get it down into your neck. Not only does your skin look flawless, but you also have those skincare benefits that's improving your skin and protecting it from the aging and wrinkles. I love that. If you haven't tried something infused with SPF, definitely try it out. I don't have any concealer hacks. If you know of any new ones, please comment them below, but I'm all out of concealer hacks. Okay, I'm back. Eyeshadow. I can't tell you how daunting that makes a lot of people feel when they get to the eyeshadow step. So I'm about to make your life way easier. Just use an eyeshadow stick. It doesn't matter which one. They're all from different brands. This is Mercier, Loreal, and Bobbi Brown, which has some beautiful pigmentation. I love Bobbi Brown. Okay, I'm actually gonna take this magnetic bronze stick from Loreal. Apply it so messy all over the eye. Blend it in with your finger. You can like maneuver how you want the cream shadow to go. So I like mine's a little bit more lifted, so I'll blend up towards my brow bone. And you can never mess this up. As long as you have fingers, you got this. And then I want to take a little bit underneath. It actually helps with that creasing area. If you have lines underneath that area, it's going to help it look a lot more natural, less creasy. So I like to put a little shadow there. This is a time saver, game changer. You make your life easier and your look so effortless. Just swipe, blend, and you're good to go. I need you guys to listen up. Press on lashes. It doesn't matter what you've heard. Press-on lashes are a game changer. This one is from Ardell. They're called Winks. I also love the Press and Go from Ienvy. It's so good. But if you love like a natural little flutter on your lash, but you don't want a whole strip lash, this is for you. Oh my God, it has changed the way I've done my eyes. It's so much quicker, easier, flawless. They're already pre-glued. All you have to do is pop them off. There's glue on the top. You don't need to glue them, and you just pop them on like this. Are you kidding? It's that easy. But do you see how natural that is? I love a natural flare at the end of the lash. I don't even really have to say much because it's doing the job for me. So I'm gonna take the 10 mm on the inner part of the eye. Before, after. It looks so good, so natural, you can't tell me anything. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, they're on. They're seamless, easy, on the go, and they're just so pretty. You can't get it wrong. But make sure you're using the right cluster for your eye shape. My mom, for example, has deep set eyes. She needs a longer, fuller lash. So make sure you're choosing the right one for your eye shape so that it shows up. A longer lash for deep set eyes, a softer lash for close set eyes or not so deep set. This is my blush hack. You're gonna love it. Take your lippy, any lippy. I like this one. It has SPF 30 and that's why I love it. I love anti-wrinkle protection. I'm gonna take it on my cheeks, on the nose, and on the lips. The dual purpose of this, it's hydrating. I love a monochromatic look, and if you ever get stuck on what to do with your makeup, always do this. Always use your lip as your eyeshadow and blush. It's never gonna look bad. A monochromatic look always looks good. She's monochromatic. Instead of bronzing, we're gonna be blonzing. Blonzing has taken over and I really like it. So you wanna use a deep blush in place of your bronzer for a fresh face type of look. I am obsessed with it. It's definitely my go-to hack for 2025. It's blush meets bronzer and it instantly gives you a natural sun-kissed vibe. You can even pop some on your eyes. Monochromatic. We love that. It's kind of like when you sweat and your natural flush comes out. It's a little like that, but a little deeper. And I'm obsessed. I feel like everybody looks good when they're blushing a little bit. This one's for all my non-powder lovers. No matter what powder you're using and you just get creasy, cakey, you can't do it. It's okay. You don't have to use powder to set your face. Use something that's gonna work with your skin, whether it be hydrating or mattifying. I'm using this Milk one because it is hydrating and it's set. No need for powder. Your makeup isn't gonna go anywhere. But if you do like powder and you don't want it to look so heavy, I have a hack for you too. So basically, you're going to pinpoint your powder. I have my favorite powder right here. We love a hydrating setting powder. This is my Glow Blur pinpoint technique. I just made that up. But I like to take it right in here on the inner part of the eye. I don't wanna look oily, even though I love to look dewy. Take it in the center of your forehead. You don't wanna look like grease, you just wanna look fresh. And that's it. You don't have to put powder anywhere else. It leaves the cheeks fresh and glowy. It leaves a little bit around the perimeter of the face, a little more glowy and fresh without it being overly, hold on, did I blend everything right? You can always pinpoint your powder. There's a lot of videos out there where people are putting on a lot of powder and it looks great on them. There's a lot of different hacks and tips and all things like that. But if you truly just want to look good with powder, try the pinpoint glow blur technique that I just made up right now the name of. Try it, let me know how you like it. I feel like it's a game changer whenever you want to set and add a little bit more brightness without it being super mattifying all over the face. I get you because I have dry skin. This is going to be another game changer for you. If you love a defined lip or overlining and you just hate when it goes away, this one is your hack. So you're gonna get a lip stain. There's a lot of stains out there and tints that just don't last very long, but this one has hydration in it and it's going to last you forever. Just get a lip brush and take some of that color. This color is beautiful. It's called Plushy Fuchsia. This is the Pillow Soft Hydrating Lip Stain. Kind of contouring my lip with this. And I can even go to sleep in this and I'll wake up and still have the lip stain on. So this is a really good one. And I love that it is hydrating. It's not drying because most tints and stains are going to leave your lips kind of dry. Not this one. And a line in here for a powdier lip. You can also use this as blush. Just make sure to apply it on your hand or a surface that is clean. Go over the top with a beauty sponge on the hand or the surface, not directly to your face, and then blend it in. Oh my God, the most beautiful airbrush type of blush that doesn't move. Oh, it's gorgeous. You can wear it underneath your foundation. So I'm gonna just let this simmer and then I'm gonna remove it and you'll see what it leaves behind. This is also great when you're on the go and you're not gonna be reapplying throughout the day. I'm gonna just remove it with this powder puff. It leaves behind kind of a glossy look. You don't have to peel it off. It's fun, the peel off one is fun, but it doesn't last very long unless you sleep in it. I've done that and I like it, but you don't even need a gloss. Pop on any lip on top and add extra dimension. Add some of this gloss from CoverGirl. It's a plumping gloss and it has like a minty feel to it. You see how natural that is? It's natural, it's defined, it's not going anywhere. I need you to grab these and try it out. I need to know your thoughts. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts on all of these hacks. Let me know which one is your favorite. And because you lasted all the way to this point of the video, I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for you. And I have a giveaway, a surprise giveaway for you guys right now. Here it is. There's gonna be 2 winners winning all of this amazing stuff. I'm so excited for you guys. Winner 1, you both get the Clarins advent calendars. They're massive. All Clarins skincare products are in there and they are my favorite. I also have some Dominique, some skincare, lashes, makeup, all the goodies, some nails, and you are just going to be so obsessed. And then these are the press-on lashes that you need to try. I also have Supergoop because Supergoop is one of my favorite brands. This one has a perfume, so if you are interested in this is number 2, then you can just comment number 2. We have lashes, Sol de Janeiro, so many good things. I am so excited for you guys. Good luck. These are my 2 giveaway winners prizes. Good luck to everyone. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Let this year be a reminder that you are capable of anything you set your mind to. Let's embrace every challenge, celebrate every win, and show up as our most confident, authentic self this year, giving you more of a peek into my life, and also launching some new Dominique products that I cannot contain myself about, so you don't want to miss out. Cheers to growth, self-love, and making 2025 the year we shine even brighter. I love you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe. We can be friends and catch up every week. I post new videos weekly. If you haven't seen any of my videos, make sure to check these out to catch up, or if you missed these, watch them, and I will see you in the next video. Good luck on the giveaway, and I'll see you soon. Bye.